Hi guys, it's Shameen. So I got Happy Meal. I'm so sorry that I haven't had time to open it until now, but it is 6:45, so I'm gonna open it now. It is from Farah Chaudhri. I think I'm so sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, but Farah, I know is right. She sent me this adorable little envelope. So there's stars and hearts, and then this beautiful little stamped image. And on the back, there's this gorgeous washi tape, which I'm totally going to reuse, and feathers, and then a beautiful lollipop. So thank you, Farah. What a wonderful surprise. Just cut off the very tip here. And this is just beautiful. Wow. How fun. Lots of goodies. Wow. Nice. Ooh, I see some vintage paper. Wonderful. So, let's see if we see a card, which I don't see, but that's okay. Alrighty. So we have this little packet of goodies with some more of that fabulous washi tape. So there are little, aren't those beautiful, like paper flowers, and then there's another flower, and there's brown flowers and leaves and sequins and little beads and buttons and jewels. Very nice. I love that. And there's a huge paper clip, which I've never gotten one of those before. Which, yeah, those are totally cute. Oh, I love it. Maybe I have gotten one. I'm thinking that I did get one before, but I used it in a project. So I have to open this now. I was trying to be good. Oh, it's a big paper clip with a beautiful, oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to have to put it on the front of my junk journal. That's pretty. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, I love that. Or on top of my planner. That'd be awesome. And there's sequins and some beautiful flowers. Those are really pretty flowers. And beads and all sorts of good stuff in there. Always use sequins. And then there's this. This is an adult moccasins. It looks like a vintage kind of publications. Look, seeds for $1. That's awesome. It's from 1974. So some really nice ephemera. Oh, this is great. Built your own birdhouse. It's like from a little catalog. That is so awesome. And the paper is all beautifully yellowed. And then there's a piece of beautiful music sheet. Slapping the cakes on me. That's cute. And then there's seashells, a seashell napkin. Wouldn't that be beautiful as a napkin collage? We're going to have to do that. And then there's this beautiful piece of paper. Gorgeous. That'd be great as a page in a journal. And strawberry paper. Isn't that cute? Oh, that's adorable. Reminds me of Strawberry Shortcake. She was my favorite when I was little. And I love My Little Pony. I also love that show too. Yeah, but Strawberry Shortcake was my favorite. I was her for Halloween one day, and then I was Raggedy Ann the next year after that. That cute. And my mom, like, we didn't have a lot of money, so she made my costumes. She's amazing. When you look back at it, you have more appreciation for your parents and all the craziness that you sent them through. Wow, and she would just, yeah, that brings back good memories. And then this is a beautiful lace doily. Very cool. Ooh, and a little border. Very nice. And washi tape. Beautiful washi tape, too. Isn't this pretty? Ooh, these are beautiful washi tapes. I really love that one, and I love black and white. Ooh, and that's pretty, too. And the hearts. You can't go wrong with hearts. And then there's a set, little... That's so cute. I'm trying to think of the world for what this is, an ice cream cone shimmy. It's been a long day, guys. And then, isn't this cute with the suitcases? That's adorable. Very, very cute. I love it. Very nice. And then another piece of paper, scrapbooking paper, it looks like. Very pretty. Oh, I love this. And more washi tape. Ooh, I got some with a beautiful like gold foiling, and she put it on a playing card, which is genius. These are beautiful washi tapes. Those are gorgeous. Very nice. Ooh, and there's edging there. Isn't that cute? Wow, nice stuff. And a beautiful rose stickers. I love roses. They're my favorite. And then these cute little tags just for you. Note, thank you for a very special friend. Isn't this cute? And then there's a little card. Thank you so much. This was such a lovely surprise. I so needed it. I have had the craziest week ever, and I've been feeling really bad. I had another flare up, my acid reflux, so I haven't been able to eat very well. So that's not fun because I can only eat a few things and it's not nutritious and it's just really tough. So I really needed this week. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for all these goodies. I'm going to totally put them away now, put them in my stash, and I can't wait to create beautiful art with them. And thank you so much for your unbelievable thoughtfulness because I totally needed this. It came right at the right time, and I'm so sorry it took me a few days to open it, but know that it was received with a lot of love, and it took me everything in it not to just open it. And I said, well, you should probably do it on film so you can give her a proper thank you, but I truly appreciate it, and it's unbelievably thoughtful. And look at this beautiful flower too. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, so many ideas and so many beautiful goodies that I can't wait to use. So I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And thank you so much for all your support. And I will see you later. Bye-bye. As you can see, I am doing this video when it's dark. That's why the lighting is not so good. And you can see my hands and shadows and stuff. So please forgive that. Excuse that. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.